virtual microphone to our next presenters, may I first introduce to you our featured schools. I will be calling the school representatives one by one to say hello to each and every one of you, of course. So we have here Miss Genevieve and Andy from Sait. I'd like to say hello. You can
Yeah,
start.
hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Andy. I'm the regional recruiter for Southeast Asia region from Sait.
Hi everyone, magandang umaga and maayong buntag wherever you are in the Philippines. I'm Genevieve and hi Miss Ruth, nice to see you again. I'm a recruitment assistant and also an international student here in Sait. So I look forward to having all of you here in our school. Thank you, Neil.
All right, thank you so much, Andy and Miss Genevieve. So I would like also to call David from Douglas College.
Hi, good morning to everyone. Thank you, David Chen. I'm the marketing manager for Douglas College. I'm currently in Vancouver. Thank you.
Thank you so much, David. And of course, we also have here Angelo from CNC or College of New Caledonia.
Hi everyone. I hope you can hear me because I can hear construction in my background. But it's nice to see you again, my CIC and the Plyboard family. Hope to present what I can do for everyone who's joining here right now. Good morning.
All right. Good morning, Angelo. Thank you so much. Okay. So Andy and Genevieve, you can now start presenting for Sait.
Yes, thank you. So now I'm ready to share my screen. Okay, so I hope everyone can see my screen now.
Yes, we can see it now. Thank you.
Yep. Let me try to. Okay, so what I have to say. So my name is Andy, and I'm the regional recruiter from Sait. And as you know, so Sait is located in Alberta provinces. So actually, Alberta is very attractive locations that we have a lot of international students, especially from Filipino students coming to study here, because there are so many opportunities for you to work during your study as well as after you're studying here. And of course, we have the AINP, which is a immigrant provincial nominee for students who graduate from Alberta school here, and then you can work after graduations. And of course, there are so many reasons that international students choose to study at Alberta, because the cost of living is pretty low, because there's will be no provincial sales tax here in Alberta. So which it means that your living expense is pretty low, and you can save a lot of money during your study and your work here. Also, there will be no universal healthcare here in Alberta, and that's why you can save a lot of money. And of course, Alberta is an attractive locations which has a lot of famous destinations like Banff or Lake Louise or Jasper. And here is the table that you can see that when you study at Alberta, so the tax is pretty low. So the tax is pretty low, so you only pay only 5% of the taxes. So which means that whenever you live here or work here, so you can save a lot of money. And in terms of wages, I have to say that at least until now, so Alberta region student can receive a minimum hourly wages, which is approximately $15 per hour, which is very high. So which means that when you study and you work in Alberta, you earn a lot of money, and then you can save a lot of money as well at the same times. And what else I have to say, for Sait, we located in Calgary. So Calgary is the fourth largest cities in Canada, and this is a very livable city in the world. And currently, so in Calgary, we have over 1.5 million populations here. And Calgary is very, an urban cities, and there is have a diverse economic environment, which means that there are so many work opportunities here for different industry. And I have to say that the Calgary is among the youngest populations of major city in Canada, and also has been ranked as the second most number of head office in Canada. So I say we located quite pretty near the downtown of Calgary, and we are kind of very first public fund institute of technology in Canada. And in Alberta, we are one of the largest college here, which has more than 16,000 full-time students here. And we have over 11,000 industry network for you to get connected to find work placement, internship, and other post-graduation work opportunities here. And we are very focused about career-oriented program, which means that you will learn by doing. You will learn by our lectures, our faculties, which are very, very experienced in the industry, and you can learn theories and practical at the same time. And our overall graduate employment rate is over 90%, which is pretty high here. So as you can see from this chart, we are kind of very close to the downtown Calgary, which is just takes only 10 minutes by train. So it's very convenient for you to go around between the school life and also in your personal life here in Calgary. And our college is very diverse. So we have over 16,000 students, and we have currently over 2,000 international students coming from 100 countries. It's very diverse. And we have a lot of good support for international students in terms of the academic counseling, cultural counseling, also other career services, as well as advising for post-graduations. So students can get a lot of benefits here. And we have over 70 programs available for international students. And the tuition fee is pretty ranged around 18,000 to 22,000 Canadian dollars per year. It depends on the program. And of course, we have received a lot of satisfactions from our graduate after completing their study here at Sait. Of course, we have a lot of we have a lot of choice for students to study. In terms of you can study bachelor degree, or you can study diploma and other short-term certificate. So I would just like to go very quickly. There are a few programs that are very attractive to Filipino students. In terms of school of business, of course, so we currently have over 4,000 international students study in terms of school of business, and we have some attractive program like diploma of business administrations, which we can specialization in supply chain, marketing, accounting, financial services, and HR. And the employment rate for the School of Business from us is pretty high. So students get around like 92% of employment rate, and the starting salary is approximately around 15,000 Canadian dollars per year. And of course, we are kind of among top 3 of Canadian best school for business, according to the CEO World Magazine. So students when study at our business school, they will study, of course, with faculties and lecture from the industry. And you have a chances to do a lot of applied project, internship, work placement, and those will bring you a hands-on learning before you can get into the field after graduations. There are some kind of other program pretty close to the business that you can consider, which is about culinary and also about tourism and hospitality. We of course have good facilities here at Sait, so you can practice at school, and of course at the same time we have student-run organization in the practical life for you to practice what you have learned so far from the classes. So of course, in terms of the hospitality and tourism, we have other attractive specializations like event management, travel tourism, and other like restaurant service operation and beverage. You can take into considerations. And another one that you can thinking about starting a Sait is that we have of course few options for international students to take about health sciences. Currently here you can choose like optician diploma program or health information management diploma. So those programs we are available for international students as well, and the employment rate is around like 94%, and the starting salary is around 45,000 Canadian dollars per year. And of course, in Calgary, we have like 8 hospitals and we have 5 major cancer centers. So there are so many choices for students to practice and also to find job after graduations. And of course, we have clinics as well inside the school for you to do your own work as well. So those are programs that you might be considered. And what I have to say is that you should carefully look for all of your interested program at our website, which is sait.ca. Check carefully about the admission requirement, and then you can apply as soon as possible with the starting date that we have mentioned on our website. And of course, besides study, we also have other service like recreation athletics. We have a student club for students to attend and to extend their network and do other volunteer job. Of course, we have other services for students in terms of academic, in terms of counseling, and then we have career center, which will help you to go through other like do CV assistant, or have you to practice mock interview, or have you to attend career fairs, find internship, co-op, or other post-graduation work after on. And those are all for you, for international students. Of course, beside that, we have also resident inside our school for you to study and stay. It's very convenient, and you can thinking about that. Also, yearly, we have entrance scholarship for students in terms of we will try to see how students perform during that study. So we can take a look at your academic achievement, also in terms of your financial need and how much you participate in your student community. So we can try to offer scholarship maybe from 1,000 to 5,000 Canadian dollars for entrance scholarship. And you will have to apply that to our website. And here's the testimonial. And of course, for student, I mean, from Philippines applying to Sait, so we will waive your IELTS requirement. So it is very good for you to think about that and try to apply as soon as possible at Sait. So that's all for my presentations. Thank you.